Got the no heat call Friday evening, and got problems with this high limit. It doesn't close, and when I press the reset, it doesn't close. So it's a busted high limit, and I don't have one, so I have one of these. So I'm probably gonna put it, because I can't get the part today, not till Monday. So gonna put one of these guys here and get it going. You know, it's a building, they want heat. And anyways, just wanted to make a quick video. And I think it was about a few months ago, was watching a video. It was somebody that regularly makes videos, and anyways, so I found a big problem with that video, and where they had, this is the low water cutoff, and so the power comes to this, and from this goes to the boiler. So you want this to be on top of your pump, which is this guy here, and on top of your boiler, right? Just makes sense, right? You don't want this boiler to come on if you got no water in this area, right? You don't want this boiler to come on. I personally would want to see a pressure switch on top of these, just for safety. Schneider makes them. I don't want this boiler to come on if there is less than 25 pounds of pressure in the loop. This building is a 4-story building, and so you have to have 28 pounds of pressure in the system. So anyways, the pressure switch is not a must, but I like to have it. I recommend it to my customers. If they want it, I'll put it on. If they don't want it, then I guess whatever it is. But anyways, so the low water cutoff on that video that I saw, and I put a comment, and it seems the owner of the channel got upset. And so anyways, I was bombarded, with messages, it was AC text, something like that, I can't remember. And I guess he didn't like it, but okay. I just want to be clear on one thing. Like, I do take care of 100 buildings. Some of these buildings have one boiler, some of them have 2, some of them have 10, right? So when I started working here, I was asked if I can do 10 hours minimum a day. That's 6 days a week. Well, it turns out to be, at least it's working like 14 hours a day or 15 sometimes. And, but I don't mind it. But anyways, so I don't get time, I don't have time to, post videos. So whenever I can, I post a video. But if anybody see that I'm making a mistake, if somebody puts it in a comment, I would be grateful that I would thank that person, right? We all make mistakes. And I saw a mistake on that video, and, I just marked it there, because on that video, that low water cutoff was literally here, right? It was even below the pump. And so that's not gonna do no good if you put the low water cutoff down there, that just, it's garbage, literally. Any installation like that is literally garbage. Anyways, so just wanted to point the positioning of the low water cutoff. It always be in the mechanical room, above the boiler and above the pump. So this protects your pump. The main job is to protect the boiler. You don't want the boiler to come on. This is a big boy of 1.2 million BTU. I should say here we go. So 1.2 million BTU. It's a two-stage boiler. You don't want this boiler, or any boiler, it doesn't matter if it's a residential, you don't want nothing, to come on, if there's no water in the system, right? It will, damage the pump. It will damage the boiler will be literally, the header gaskets here are the first things gonna melt, and the heat exchanger will crack. So anyways, there's another problem I saw that I'm working right now. I don't know if you notice here, you see the water, the bearing assembly is leaking on this pump. So this part needs to be replaced. That's your bearing assembly, and that has to be done, I guess, next week. So I'm gonna just concentrate on, put a temporary fix for now till we get the part on Monday, and we fix the pump, I guess, on Monday or Tuesday too. But this pump is eventually going to stop, and then that's your float switch. And then if the pump is not running, the float switch is not going to close, and nothing going to come on. The same thing, you don't want the boiler to come on if your pump is busted, seized, or whatever. So anyways, if, like I said, if I make a mistake in a video, if somebody puts a comment, I'd be grateful, I would thank that person, right? And I don't have time, like I said, there's 100 buildings, literally, I'm at work 6 a.m. till, 10, at night, 8, 10, sometimes 12 at night, it's crazy. And I don't have time to make videos, whenever I get a chance, I make a video, but I don't, but some of these guys, they put literally, they make a video, every day. Anyways, and one more note, that is in solidarity with Ukrainian people. That's their flag, right? Yellow, blue, and I wish them all the best. I hope that war ends soon. It's just a tragedy. But anyways, I'm gonna work on this thing, and I see you guys later. Okay, bye.